Hi everyone, welcome back. I am so happy that you are here. Friends, today again I am on my terrace to show the new placement of my pots along with a new addition done to my garden. These are the name tags which I have recently put up in the pots. I had been planning to do it for a long time and now I am feeling very happy as I could finally do it. Let me show you these name tags closely and I'll also show you how I have rearranged the pots on my terrace. I got these name tags of mild steel fabricated in 3 different sizes. This size is for the biggest pots in my garden and for the plants which I grow directly in soil without pots. This one is for medium sized pots and this smallest size is for the pots which are very less in height like for the microgreens etc. Then I got these painted in white and finally the names were written on them. Now I'll tell you how I have rearranged the pots. Earlier my pots having the same vegetable were not necessarily placed together. But after I got these name tags made, I planned to put together the pots category wise. This one big pot, these 4 crates and these 4 pots are dedicated to tomatoes. You can see that in these 2 crates, tomatoes have started growing, but in this crate and in this big pot and in these pots of 12 inches, the plants are still small. This is because I kept some time gap in growing these so that I can get a continuous supply of tomatoes. These 5 buckets are having turnips in them. I have already harvested some from 2 buckets and these will also be ready in a few days. And by then the turnips will grow in these 3 buckets. These 3 crates have peas in them, the seeds of which I sowed at different times. Flowering has started in the first crate and I hope you can see these tender peas too. I hope to get organic peas soon. And now look at these 3 crates of beetroot. From one of these crates, beetroot will be available soon. The beetroots from the second one are also growing fast and the third one will be ready by the time we consume from the first and second one. You can here find all the pots having cauliflowers at one place. This drum also has cauliflowers. If you watch my videos regularly, you will know that I harvested many cauliflowers from here a few days ago. This drum is a little away from these pots, so I have put a separate name tag in this. Now I have again replanted some more saplings of cauliflowers here, which I had already kept ready by sowing the seeds of cauliflower a few days ago. The fenugreek coming out of the soil here gives a happy feeling that very soon organically grown fenugreek will be ready to harvest and cook. And see, all these pots have broccoli growing in them. After I have placed all these together, they are giving a good sight. Very pleasing to the eyes. What's your opinion? Please tell me in the comment section below whether you like my efforts of placing all the vegetables category wise and putting name tags in them. These 2 pots kept together have coriander and these 3 pots have Mexican mint in them. If you watch my videos regularly, you will remember that I got a small stem of it from one of our friends and I could grow so much of it from that one stem. I have 3 with me now and I have already gifted 4 to my friends. I have a separate video on how to propagate Mexican mint and its advantages. I'll give the link in the description box below in case you are interested in watching that. This pot has plants of holy basil. There are so many of these. I have shifted 3 plants of holy basil to bigger pots and I'll gift the rest to my friends and relatives. These two containers have Greek basil growing in them. This one big pot and this bucket has radishes. And this rectangular pot here also has radishes. Both the round pot and rectangular pots are quite heavy, so it was not possible to bring them together. Before I take you to the cutest part of my garden where microgreens are growing, I want to show you these pots which have capsicum and these pots which have brinjals growing in them. This pot has guava plant growing in it. I don't have any prior experience of growing a guava tree in a pot. This is on totally experimental basis. But I can very gladly tell you that I just sowed the seed of guava which I had bought from the market, and this has become almost as tall as I am. Same is the case with growing pineapples. I watched a video on YouTube and started growing these in this pot. Now they have become quite big. These three little pots have mint growing in them. These pots have red lettuce growing in them. I have taken these saplings from this pot where I had sowed the seeds to grow their saplings. And all these pots have green lettuce growing in them. I took the saplings from this small pot where I grew them from seeds. And now comes the cutest part of my terrace where I have mostly kept the trays of microgreens. These 4 pots have wheatgrass microgreens. These 3 trays have pink radish microgreens. These 2 trays have white radish microgreens. And these 2 trays have pea microgreens growing in them. Here are the 2 trays where pak choi microgreens are growing. These 5 trays are dedicated to spinach microgreens. Last but not the least, these 3 trays have broccoli microgreens growing in them. I hope you know microgreens have much more nutrients than the fully grown vegetables and so are extremely healthy. You may check my videos on growing microgreens and their benefits. I'll leave the link in the description box in case you are interested. Friends, what do you think about this grouping of pots having the same crop and putting name tags to them? It's not that I don't know the names of vegetables I am growing, but these have added a very good look to my terrace garden. What is your view? Please write in the comment section below. Friends, my next video will reach you on Friday, which will be mainly on motivating those new gardeners who feel demotivated when they encounter failure in their journey to grow vegetables in pots. So, stay tuned. And before I sign off, a humble request, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you have liked it. And please subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. I keep on uploading videos on growing vegetables organically. So friends, bye for now. See you soon. Till then, take care of yourselves.